Hey, how's it going? Here's my video submission for Project 1 using the Arduino breadboard and the Eagle software. The circuit I created is a parallel circuit with two LEDs, the red and the green, and two 10 ohm resistors as well. It also includes a button and then a couple wires to attach as well. This small black wire here just connects the button to the positive on the breadboard, and the red wire connects to the positive on the breadboard to the 5 volts on the Arduino, and the black one just connects to ground on the Arduino as well. So since it's hooked up to the 5 volts on the Arduino, the LEDs will just turn on and remain on as long as you're pushing the button. And then also, if you switch the red wire over to pin 13 on the Arduino, when you push the button, the LEDs will blink to the code that I'll show in the next clip, and just basically works like that. Give an overhead shot of it all. Yeah, see you next. So we're back. So this might be a bit more steady look at the two to be able to see it a little better. And then this is the Arduino code I used. So I just used a one by Scott Fitzgerald that was already preloaded to Arduino. The only difference I made was the delay. So for when the LED would be on, which it denotes by high there, changed it to 50, and when it's off, changed it to 100, so about half a second, and then about a quarter of a second. And then on the Eagle software, this is the simulation. So I couldn't get the button that we were using on the Eagle software, so I just did a pulse function with the voltage source to kind of indicate that blinking almost. So this blue line down here represents when the LEDs are on, and then this red here represents the voltage going to them. The red and the blue represents that. So that indicates the pulsing to it. And that would be the main difference from the actual Arduino. This is the schematic that I've created. It includes the 3 voltage probes, which are all labeled, a voltage source, 2 resistors, which are the 10 ohms, and then the 2 LEDs, which are also labeled with what color they are, and the ground source. And right here kind of shows which pulse function and which parameters I used to make them more similar to what I actually used in Arduino.